Hi, this is Sameh from Apify. Today I want to talk about Antigravity, the new IDE that's taking the whole web by the storm. So, Antigravity is a great IDE from Google, and it has some great rates these days. But when you combine it with the, for example, Apify MCP server, you can do some really cool stuff. So today I want to show you how you can use the Apify MCP with Antigravity to create some cool enrichment use cases. This is going to be an easy way for anybody to actually test these different actors on the Apify side for enrichment. So for example, if you're looking for LinkedIn accounts, emails, phone numbers, or you're just doing some local lead generation. So let's start. All right. So with your anti-gravity, you can actually go to the anti-gravity settings, and under customizations, you will find the MCP servers here. So you need to actually open the MCP config here, which will open this file. And now you need to actually put the config for the Apify MCP server. So easiest way to do that is to go to mcp.apify.com. So that's what I'm going to do. And over here, you can actually configure your own MCP server. So for example, I'm going to have the Google Map Scraper, which is a great tool for finding local leads. Another one is called the Contact Details Scraper, which is also great. You can use it to actually find leads through job title, for example, on a custom domain. So I'm going to go ahead and just save those changes. And now I have a file, MCP server that has some really cool enrichment actors. All right. So I will need to actually transfer this to the to Antigravity, the mcp.config JSON. So easiest way is to go to the JSON config over here, add the Apify token, right? And just go ahead and copy that. Go back to Antigravity and copy that into there. Now you will need your token. So this is where your token actually fits, right? So what I will do is actually go back to Apify, to my console. So you can go back here under settings, go ahead and pick your token. So I'll go here. I think I already created one for Antigravity. No, I haven't. So let me create one now. Okay, just to name it the right way. I know which source it's coming from. And now I find it over here. So let me copy that and go back and actually put that into your config file. Okay, so let's start. I want to test the Apify MCP server. Let's look for, let me get this out here. Let's look for, let's say, marketing leads in, let's say, consultancies in Chicago, let's say. All right, that's a good way of just testing the server, make sure everything works. All right, so it's working, probably reading some of the servers. The best way to see if it's actually working is to go back to your console, to your Apify console, and start here that it's running the Google Map Scraper, right? Over here. And I can see that it is on this run. If we look at the actual run info, you can see that it's looking for the digital marketing and PR agencies. Here's the input. As you can see, it's looking for sales and marketing agencies in Chicago. And we've got these results so far. All right, so looking good so far. All right. So now it's basically getting the results. Well, it's doing that. All right, so I can see here it extracted information from my Apify run. So there's a lot of traffic right now, but that's fine. So I think it worked on this one. And yeah, so then basically you can, you know, based on the testing that you've done, if the input is something that works well for your use case, you can just scale it up and create a cron job. So yeah, that's it. That's how you install the Apify MCP server inside Antigravity. And we're excited to see what kind of use cases you can come up with. So thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more helpful tutorials and make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.